Here's the app called Deepsearch AI Search Assistant. Search deeper, know better, ask AI about anyone, verified profile and links, targeted searches, explore videos and photos, discover more, revisit search history. So the idea of this app is a bit different from, ChatGPT. Obviously, this is like a wrapper on the AI. So this is you can find anyone online with ease. Ever wonder where to find social profiles of someone you just met? Looking to reconnect with an old friend to check out new acquaintance social media presence? Our powerful Deep Search AI Search Assistant app helps you discover publicly available information about individuals in one place. With just a name, our AI search assistant scans multiple platforms, letting you find people online quickly and conveniently. So you can just find social profiles easily, comprehensive background search, find friends online, social media discovery, stay informed, quick and simple searches. So for example, if I just have here in the app, and then you can then just try to find some people. So for example, let's just search about Mr. Beast, and then you can see like the profiles, the YouTube, some sources, answers about it, and that's how it works. So that's the app. You can also filter out by like families and relatives, hobbies, relationship, dating life. So and then you can just search about specific person, and then public mentions, recent news articles mentions about some person. Then you can search professional background. What is the job history of someone? And usually if you don't have this tool, you need to go to LinkedIn, you need to check Twitter, Facebook, all these things. But here you can just this is just what it is. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You have the app in here. If you wanna, you can just upgrade to Deep Search Pro. 1,000 search credits, search via image, upload and ask PDF, unlock dating profiles even. So 7-day full access, $2, then $7 per week, or yearly, it's $40 per year. So you can try that. So yeah, funny app, pretty cool. There are a lot of these ChatGPT clones, but this app has a bit different angle. So try it out. This is the app you're looking for from X Studios Mobile, because there are a lot of copycats which are not original apps.